How to copy a game on Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can copy a game on Roblox. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. First of all, you just need to open up your browser. After opening up your browser, you just need to look up for roblox.com and you just need to log in into your account. After you have logged in into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So you're just going to type in uncopy locked on your search bar of your home screen. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can find all of the games which can be copied. So you're just going to select one of the game that can be copied from here. After searching for uncopy locked, here you will be able to find different kind of games. You may just choose one of the games that you may want to copy into your Roblox. So let's say this is the game I'm going to copy. So here you may just look up to the description is if any description is available. After that, simply tap on the three dot, click on it, and click on Edit in Studio. And then if you have Roblox Studio, you may just open Roblox Studio, just open up your Roblox Studio and edit the game according to you. And that's how you basically copy your game on Roblox. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.